How to sign up for Amazon Prime student account. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video tutorial we'll be discussing about signing into the Amazon Prime student account. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome web browser and type in Amazon Prime student login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites, from where click on the initial website that is indicating try Amazon Prime student. Click on it and you will be taken to the official website of Amazon, from where you will be able to view the try Prime student option highlighted in yellow color in the middle of the screen, which offers the 6-month trial with free 2-day shipping on eligible purchases. Click on the Try Prime Student button on the main page, and if you don't have an Amazon account, create your Amazon account at the bottom, and if you already have an account, enter your email address, phone number, and the password. Type in your email address or your phone number in the first field, followed by the correct form of your password in the second field. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, you can go ahead and click on Forgot Your Password link in order to successfully retry or reset your password. Also check this box if you'd like to stay logged in for the future logins, but in the case if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. Now after entering the correct form of your credentials, click on the sign in button highlighted in yellow color. Now on the next page, you have to input few of your details. For students signing up for the Amazon Prime, fill in your university name, first name, your last name, date of birth, graduation year, and select a payment method such as credit or a debit card. To add your card details, click on Add a credit or a debit card. Enter your card information such as the name on your card, the card number, and the security code that is in the back of your card, and also the expiration date of your card. After that, click on the Add Your Card option. And once your payment details are verified, you can easily create a student account on Amazon Prime. So that's all there is to signing up for Amazon Prime as a student. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and stay tuned for more video like this. Thank you for watching.